Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. And today we've got this awesome 2008 Jeep Rubicon that we just picked up. This is one that we had a couple of years ago and sold it to a good friend of ours, and he has since done a ton of work to it, as you can see here. I mean, just about every accessory that you can put on them. The nice fender liners inside of it. Of course, it's got the front and rear bumpers with the winch up front. Pretty much a new set of Moto Metal wheels with the Nitto Terra Grappler tires. I bet these tires don't have 1,500 miles on them. Obviously, suspension lift on it with the metal doors, the tube doors. It does also have the hard doors for it and a soft top as well. We just need to go and pick them up. We'll have them here available and ready to go. Obviously, it does have the matching fifth wheel spare on the back of it, which is necessary, completely necessary. And then, of course, the spare tire rack, nice rack for the back there. And then you look inside, it does have the factory subwoofer, and he did also have the bedliner spray added to it. Of course, it does have the carpet in the rear and on the sides here, but it is sprayed underneath of there, as you can see. But very, very tastefully done, very well put together. And I think he may have had it on the beach one time. Never off-roaded other than that one time on the beach. And it does have the normal wear on the driver's seat here, which we are planning to either have repaired or put a nice set of seat covers on it. As you can see, the floor mats, but the spray-in liner on it. 2008 model with 142,934. It does have factory AM/FM stereo with satellite and navigation. Of course, your switches for your lights. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. Nice bikini top up there, as you can see. But just a really, really nice Jeep, well serviced. Let me get under here and show you. 2008, so it's 12 going to 13 years old. Very, very little to no rust on it at all. Just a really, really clean Jeep. We've got this available for you here at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at www.holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text us directly with any questions, 757-487-7333. We do have some financing available for you. We do include a warranty. We can help with delivery and shipping where available. So just call and ask us for details on that. But we are here to earn your business, so call and text. Let us know how we can do that. Again, been right here 46.5 years. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks as always for watching. Have a great day.